Welcome, race fans, to Newton Speedway. Let's bring out our star racer.
Okay. And just look at those awesome race mods on Cozmo. 3, 2, 1, go!
You can't beat a good spring clean. Oh! Cody!
Sorry, my bad, coming.
Sounds like a major pileup at the living room turn. Marshals are on their way. Okay, let's go.
Cozmo? Nobody goes faster than me.
Cozmo!
Hi, Cozmo. Bye, Cozmo.
Aha! But I've got a race mine. Bye, Cozmo!
Oh, no.
Cozmo, the undisputed fastest robot in Gizmo County. The robot toy world has yet to see anything faster on 4 wheels.
Oh. Race mod? Wizmo mod.
Cozmo mine!
Wizmo mod. Oh.
Cozmo mine!
You like mods? Here's more mods.
More mods.
More. Go, go, go! All right. Go, snail! Go, snail! Go, snail!
Uh-oh! Too many mods!
Go, snail! Go, snail!
No, dude. I'm the fastest.
Woohoo! Winner!
Hey, you lot! QMO's downloading the next coding word from our bestie Cozmo.
Let's do this!
Careful, QMO. Don't go straining the sprocket.
Whoops. Totally didn't mean to do that. Here you go, Kit. The word is mod.
Mods. Oh yeah, I love mods. A mod is when you add something to a computer program to make it better or more suited to what you want.
Like in a computer game, when you can mod your player. Hey, I'm gonna mod you into an expert hoop spinner.
Huh?
Ta-da!
Okay, here goes.
Yeah, maybe not that mod.
Let's say this plain ice cream is a basic computer program.
Okay.
But I want to add a mod. In this case, sprinkles. There, that's the way I like my ice cream. What about you, QMO? Do you want it plain, or would you like to add a mod?
Maybe I do want a mod after all. I want chocolate sauce.
Chocolate
No,
sauce?
strawberry sauce.
Strawberry
No,
sauce?
sprinkles. No, marshmallows. No, I want chocolate chips. Oh, it's so hard choosing a mod. I know. I'll have them all!
I'm not sure that's a good idea. You're supposed to be modding the ice cream, not me.
Whoops.
So that's mod. For more of our coding words, check out our playlist and the links below.
What are you doing? It's not raining in here.
I'm adding a Safe from QMO's ice cream toppings mod.
Whoops again.
Cozmo and Friends.